Hello everybody. Had a little bit of success on my Prizm basketball run today through Target and Walmart. I think they're just now being put out at Walmart's. Target's, you started seeing them last week, but I think yesterday or today Walmart started putting out their stock, or they got their stock in of it. They've got a little bit different mega box. This is what I got from Walmart, 50 cards. I don't know, it may just be one big pack of cards in there because it doesn't say that there's a certain number of packs. It just says 50 cards. 50 cards. These are $34.98 at Walmart. The Target mega boxes I think are $50, $49.99 if you can find them. So they sell out as quick as they put them on the website, and I haven't seen any Target mega boxes in stores. Haven't seen any hanger packs in stores, just blasters. I was able to find a couple of blasters at Target, and of course they're showing up at Walmart, so they may become a little bit easier to find. But anyway, we'll get into this mega box here. We'll see what it is. Of course, they have the huge box. Whatever reason they think that they need to do this, I don't know, but it's just gonna be a little handful of cards in here. Okay, I guess they're all in packs. So I thought that might be just one big brick of cards, but apparently we get all the packs in here. So 50 cards, 4 cards per pack. And the exclusive ones in this box are the pink Prizms. 10 pink Prizms in the Walmart box with 3 silver Prizms. So let's see, we got 10 packs, 40 cards, and then I guess these are the 10 pink Prizms. So I think the Target boxes have, what is it, 60, 70 cards in it? I'm not sure which it is, but these are $15 cheaper at Walmart. There's our first silver back there, I see. And it is Wesley Matthews. Hoping for at least a rookie silver. I haven't got a rookie silver yet, I don't believe. There's Diallo. I like this one for my Thunder. Oh, back-to-back Thunder. Look at that, that's a nice one. Of course, the Thunder just had their biggest comeback in team history the other night. 23 points down, came back to win thanks to Paul George. I think he had 46 points in the game. So Thunder's looking pretty good here early in the season. Dwayne Wade insert. These might not be that bad of a deal here on these Walmart boxes. I was expecting these to be $50, but $35. 50 cards. There's another silver. D'Angelo Russell. I mean, you get 2 blasters for $40, and you're gonna get 48 cards in those. So I definitely recommend trying to find these mega boxes at Target. Excuse me, Walmart. For that price. That can't be beat on this product. Of course, everyone is out there chasing these down right now. People are just dumping the whole display and buying them. Well, that's a pretty neat one. Dwayne Wade Prizm. silver. Still no rookie prisms. So, I don't know. Oh, this looks like an autograph. World Be Free. Nice. Wow, that's nice. Certainly didn't expect the autograph out of Prizm, but okay. It's a nice one. Nice retired player. World Be Free. Very nice. Jared Allen. I got 4 of his silver Prizms last year out of packs. He was just hounded me last year. It's a slick looking Steph insert. George Mikan. Got the black and white. Here's another silver. Gortat. I said 3 silver Prizms. We got 4. So beat the odds on that one. Let's see what we got. Let's take a look at these pink Prizm Ice. I bet these are awesome looking. Man, look at those. Those are sharp. Beautiful. There you go. There's a rookie. Doesn't have a rookie logo on it, which is kind of strange. There's another rookie, Musa. There you go. Man, I say for $35, man, you can't beat this deal on these. If you can find these boxes. 50 cards, 3 Prizms, 10 pink ice Prizms. Of course, we didn't really hit any rookies at all in here, not even base rookies. We didn't get much, but listen, I'll always take an autograph, though. No doubt about it. Very cool. Oh, there you go. Those are Walmart exclusive. Hopefully they'll put these up on their website soon, and everybody can have a chance at them. So there's a look at that product if you want to go out there and chase it this weekend. Thanks for watching as always, and we'll see you next time.